Hi friends, this video shows how to recover contacts from Google account. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First let me open this phone app. Tap on this phone app icon. Go to contacts and here I am going to delete one contact. Let me delete this contact A5. Select contact A5. Tap on more. Tap on delete. Tap on move to recycle bin. So now I have deleted that contact A5. Let me delete that contact A5 from recycle bin. Tap on these three dots on top right corner. Go to recycle bin. Then delete from here as well. Tap on these three dots. Tap on MD. Tap on delete. Done. So after this, let me go back. Then again tap on these three dots. Tap on manage contacts. Go to sync contacts. Enable contact sync for Google account. Then tap on sync. So now you can see syncing. So when we sync, it will delete that contact A5 from Google account, this Google account. After that I will show you how we can recover that deleted contact. Okay, so you can see sync has completed. Let me close it. So next I am going to start the restore process. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to Google, then tap on manage your Google account. Tap here. If you have multiple Google account, you can select one Google account from here, then tap on manage your Google account. Then tap on people and sharing. Tap here. Tap on contacts. So now we are seeing contacts in this Google account. You can see A5 is not showing here because I have deleted it. So I will show you how we can restore. Tap on these three lines on top left corner. Go to bin. Here we can see the A5. From here we can restore. Tap on A5. Tap on recover. Okay, please wait. Okay, one contact recovered. Let me test. Again go to phone app. See, A5 is not showing here because we have to sync. Again we have to sync. Go to these three dots. Tap here. Go to manage contacts. Tap on sync contacts. Then tap on sync. Then please wait. Okay, sync completed. Then again go to phone app. See, now we can see A5 here. So this way we can restore deleted contact from Google account. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.